Lisa from Sabitia Birthday Outfits. Today I want to show you this cute little dress. It's a spider girl dress. It belongs to a 6-month-old actually, because the sister is celebrating the 3rd birthday and she likes Spider-Man. So the mom was asking me for a Spider Girl theme dress, and all I could think was this. I found this fabric at Spotlight, and this is a blue green ribbon. Blue green ribbon, sorry. 3 layers of royal blue and black tutu, and these are actually not stick-on yet. These are cut using silhouette cameo and layered on felt, and I'm gonna stick it. I'm just gonna glue gun it over here. Use the glue gun over here and here, just to look like the spiders are climbing over the dress. What else? Let's take it for a spin. My hand's so short. There you go. I'm gonna get a better picture of this later. So the front of the dress is actually nicely lined. It's all fabric. Only the back of the dress is net for the adjustability. Let's go and finish up this dress. I'm gonna glue on the spiders. I'm gonna take a look at the 3-year-old dress. There it is. Sorry about my craft room come ironing room. It's so messy. This is the sister's dress. Okay, this one I have actually glued on the spiders. So 3 spiders on Kaka's dress. Kaka means sister. Sister's dress. Okay, I'm gonna just hang it here. Here, and we're gonna glue it on. Okay, all right, so I've just glued on the spiders using my hot glue gun. They actually sticks amazingly well, very long time, because I've been using it for I have never used hot glue gun on any of the dresses except for embellishments like this. Yeah, so for cleaning, they won't even come out in the wash, but you're not supposed to like fully wash this dress, only spot clean, unless it's like unless you had a cake smash and the dress got all messy and everything. So you can actually dip it in Softland. I mean, dip it in a softener, a fabric softener, and then air dry it. Do not wring it. Okay, so there we have it. Big Spidey and little Spidey. Sisters, sisters, spider sisters. So what I usually do next is to take these 2 ready dresses out from this craft room, because it's so messy in here, there's no space and the lighting is bad, to Tiana's room because the lighting is better there, and have a little photo shoot. Take nice pictures of these 2 and then pack it up and it's ready to go. So let's take a photo. This is the kids' room. And whoops, must not show myself because I'm not very nicely dressed. Okay, look at the gorgeous blue sky outside, and it gives like the best light in the whole house. So I always come here to do the tutu shoots, and we have very little space, so I have to put the mannequin on her bunk bed, Kura bed. Those are the toys, and I'll bring my mannequin. I have attached, because there are 2 dresses that I wanted to shoot today, so I put a temporary command patch up there. So, click, click, click. I'm gonna take the camera later. Thank you for watching me explain about these 2 dresses. The tutu dress inspired by our favorite superhero, Spider-Man. Ta-da! Ta-da! Hi, so yes, I made those 2 dresses, and I don't usually explain my tutu dresses after making them, but it was a fun video to make. So if you would like to see more videos like this, it would mean a lot to me if you could subscribe to me please, and perhaps comment down below so that I know how you feel about the video and what would you like more in the video, information about any tutu dresses, and lastly click on the notification bell so that you won't miss my next video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. see you in the next video. Bye!